BMW I represents an all-embracing concept for sustainable and forward-looking mobility and has bundled together an extensive ecosystem of solutions for electric driving under the umbrella of 360 Degrees Electric. These products and services are designed to help make electric mobility in the new i8 Roadster a convenient and practical experience every day. It is supplied with a Mode 2 charging cable as standard, enabling the high-voltage battery to be recharged from a standard domestic socket in under 4.5 hours. The new Mode 3 cable can also be used to hook up the car to a public charging point for high-power charging. The BMW i Wallbox makes home charging particularly easy and convenient. The latest version of the Wallbox allows the high-voltage battery to be recharged at a rate of up to 3.6 kilowatts, meaning that charging can be completed in under 3 hours. The BMW i Wallbox Connect extends the functionality of the unique BMW digital charging service to enable intelligent charging based around optimized cost efficiency or preferential use of self-generated solar power. There is additionally a facility for controlling the charging process from a smartphone via BMW Connected and for managing usage with an access card. Drivers have to register just once to gain access to the UK's largest network of public charging stations via the Charge Now card, which currently opens up an array of more than 5,500 charging points.